Okay, let's try this again now. You can see I got her mounted. I went ahead and punched that hole. I don't have the gasket in there right now, I'm just test fitting it. But I got plenty of room. And I can get that bolt out now. So that's good, that worked out perfect. Barely. I mean, it comes out and almost scrapes the top when I get it out, but that bolt does come out now. And up here on top, that cap barely comes off, but it does come off and gives plenty of room in there that I can fill the master. Everything is still serviceable. That's kinda where she'll be. Right now I got it still really loose, so I can move it around to get a true center on it and a true level on it. I just got the bolts kinda finger tight on there. Then we come around, trying the light on the camera here. It kills my battery real quick, but you can see my pedal throw there. Well, there it goes. It's killing my battery. It does that every time. That's why I don't usually use it. Sorry about that. That'll be either some editing or you'll get to see more of my mistakes. Alright. You can see my pedal throw. Very good. So I can still cut and move that. Again, I'll do something different with that switch right there. I'll move it up a little. But she's in. She's mounted. And of course I got to hook the master cylinder plunger to the pedal. I leave it all free so I can get an idea on that. This definitely gonna have to, right now, you'd have to raise your foot up to where your knee would hit your chin to find that pedal. But I'll cut it probably here, extend it, and roll that pedal back so it'll be back in here somewhere. That pedal will rest right about there when she's all said and done. A little bit farther down. So when your foot is resting against the floor, it's just a step, just a foot movement to hit that brake. The old one is kind of angled out through here, and they sat right about in here. And I'll just match this one to where the pedals kind of used to be. Like I said, right in there somewhere, with the gas pedal right in here somewhere. So again, it's close to the same plane, so you're not blind searching with your feet for the pedals. So that's where I got today. Not a whole lot on it. In all honesty, I only have an hour to work on it today because my daughter's coming in from San Diego, and we've been in the process of remodeling and getting our house all set, and yeah, I got a full plate of stuff I'm doing at the house, and daughter's spare room, her room. Every time she comes out from San Diego, they stay in that room. It's kind of full of everything right now. I put new hardwood down on the house and kind of used that room as a catch-all, and now that catch-all is catching me in the butt. So I got to get home and get to cleaning, getting her a room ready. So that's another thing about the hot rods and stuff, you know. Yeah, I want to do more on it. I want to get on it. I want to use my full 4 hours a day on it. But family comes first. Never, ever, ever let your project cars become your whole life. If you do, they won't be fun no more. Especially when the wife doesn't like them anymore because they're taking all your time away. Manage your time. And the biggest part of that management is what's going on with your family. Always families first. Family first, cars second, life, and everything else follows after that. Anyway, that's just my psychobabble. Take that advice as you may. But I did get something done on it. Even if it was just punching a couple holes and throwing a couple of nuts on. So, we'll get back on this tomorrow and get some work done on her.